everyone, welcome to YogBela. I am Preeti. In today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on the right alignments of Chaturanga Dandasana, how to get into the posture, how to release the posture. Chaturanga. Chatur means four, Anga is limbs, Danda is like a stick. So you are balancing all your weight on four limbs and your body is like a stick. Your head, hips and your heels are in one line like a stick. So you have to engage your core, you need to engage your quadriceps, you need to use your shoulders, your biceps to hold the posture. This is one such posture which is practiced multiple times in Ashtanga class. So you have to make sure that you are doing it correctly, because if done wrong so many times, you will end up injuring yourself. Most of us have this assumption that the posture looks hard and not easy to achieve. Yes, it is hard, but then if you follow the correct alignments, you practice it regularly, you will easily achieve it. So let's get started. Let's start with the foundation. Get onto your fours, and yes, when you get onto your fours, just make sure that your fingers, they are wide open and your inner elbows, they spin towards each other like this. Your knees slightly apart, fingers wide open, and your wrist comes right under your shoulder, like in such a way that your thumb comes right under your shoulder. So basically this distance between your palms is slightly wider than your shoulders, slightly wider. Now from here, we'll go for the basic warm-up, and also make sure that you are leaning your weight little forward, so your shoulders, they are little bit ahead of your wrists, like this. And now start making circles. Make sure your entire palm is engaged. Other side. Especially your index knuckle, it is engaged. Now relax. Again, onto your fours. And now we'll practice protraction and retraction. For protraction, your shoulder blades go away from each other and you round your spine, you round your upper back like this. So here, shoulder blades going away from each other. Retraction is shoulder blades come closer and you drop your chest down. We'll do it a few more times. Protract, retract. Shoulder blades going away from each other. Retract. Neutral your spine. For Chaturanga Dandasana, starting position is plank. So keeping everything same, all the alignments same, straighten your legs. Here, your body is in a straight line, and do not allow your hips to sink down like this, and you're not taking your hips high like this. Protracted upper back. Drop your tailbone down, look ahead, pushing through your heels. Now, make sure you're leaning your weight forward, your shoulders slightly ahead of your wrists. Now inhale, engage your quads as well. Exhale, bend your elbows and go down until your shoulders in line with your elbows. Push yourself up. That's how you get into Chaturanga Dandasana, and this is the foundation Not just for Chaturanga Dandasana, but for any arm balance, this is the foundation. So we'll do it one more time. Fingers wide open. Tuck your toes. Shift your weight slightly forward, making sure that inside of elbows facing each other. Protracted upper back. Tailbone dropped down. Looking forward. Inhale. Exhale. And then stay there. Exhale completely and release. If you are a pure beginner and you found this practice hard, what you can do is you can keep your knees down. I'll show you how you can do the beginner version. So first get into plank. From there, drop your knees down. Other alignments are absolutely same. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale. And then hold it there. Push it. Sit back. Relax. Catch your breath. So you must be feeling a lot around your wrist and maybe in your forearms. But by chance, if you're having a pinching pain outer side of your wrist, that means you did not engage your inner knuckles properly. So for that, make sure you're pressing your palms nicely into the mat and pushing yourself away, protracting your upper back. And there are two things you should not be doing in Chaturanga. Let me just quickly show you. You shouldn't be keeping your hips higher and taking your shoulders down, or the other way. Making sure that your shoulders and your elbows are in one line with your dropped tailbone. And you're looking ahead and you're pushing through your heels. Thank you very much for your practice. So how was your experience of today's session? Please share with me in the comment section. Even if you did not achieve the posture, make sure that you are following the right alignments whenever you are practicing Chaturanga Dandasana. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Namaste.